Today we're introducing this air conditioning protection switch. This product safeguards HVAC and critical systems with extreme outdoor durability. Its NEM 3R rated enclosures, metallic, non-metallic, withstand harsh environments. Tool-free service access allows instant removal of high-strength shields and covers. Copper-rated lugs and deep wiring space accelerate stud gun installations. Integrated security features include padlock, ready doors, and factory-sealed weather-resistant GFCI receptacles for code compliance. Trusted in residential, commercial AC, heat pumps, pools, and spas. To learn more about Linsky products, please visit our official website.